Hi, today we're going to show you how to self-install your new Gigaspire router provided by Pioneer. Let's get started. We will start by showing what all comes in the box. Your Gigaspire may be a different color and shape, but most of the process to install will still be the same. First, you have your Gigaspire unit. You will have your power supply cord. You will have a 3-foot fiber patch cord. There will also be a Go Pioneer Smart Wi-Fi Quick Start Guide. To begin the install, first you will need to remove the side panel on the side of your Gigaspire. If you have a gray Gigaspire, you will see 2 tabs sticking up on the side that has the removable panel. Slide the panel back and it should come off. Next, you will take the fiber patch cable and connect it. It does not matter which end you use. Take the cap off the end of the patch cable. On one side of the end of the cable, there will be a small ridge. Be sure this ridge is facing upwards when connecting the cable. Push the end into the port until it snaps into place. After connecting the patch cable, you will need to thread the cable around the slots provided. This will help to keep the cable secure. Once the cable is threaded completely, you will then put the side panel back on. Be sure the tabs enter the correct slots, and the panel should sit flush. Then slide the panel forward until it snaps into place. If you have a white Gigaspire, you will see a tab on the side that has the removable panel. Put your finger under the tab and gently pull upwards and the panel should come off. Next, you will take the fiber patch cable and connect it. It does not matter which end you use. Take off the cap on the end of the patch cable. On one side of the end of the cable, there will be a small ridge. Be sure this ridge is facing upwards when connecting the cable. Push the end into the port until it snaps into place. After connecting the patch cable, you will need to thread the cable through the slot. This will help to keep the wire secure. Once the cable is in place, you will then put the side panel back on. Be sure the tabs enter the correct slots. Gently push the panel down until it snaps into place. Next, you will need to plug the other end of the fiber patch cable into the wall plate port. Your plate may be one of a couple different designs. We will show the different types of plates and how the fiber patch cables will be plugged in accordingly. Be sure to take the cap off the end before attempting to plug the cable in. Now, you will take your power cord and insert it into the back of the Gigaspire. Then, plug it into a power outlet. Once you have plugged in the power supply, the Gigaspire should light up after about 30 seconds. The first light will be orange, then a flashing red light, then a flashing green light. After a short period, it will then switch to a solid green light. Once the Gigaspire has switched to a solid green light, it will begin to download and install any updates needed. This process can take up to approximately 10 minutes. After the Gigaspire is done updating, The light will cycle through all the colors once more and end up on a solid green color for a second time to signify that the updates are complete and the Gigaspire is ready. After you have completed all the steps, you can use the Quick Start Guide to help download the free Go Pioneer Smart Wi-Fi app, which can be done by either scanning the QR code or searching for Go Pioneer Smart Wi-Fi in your App Store. Once you have installed the app on your mobile device, follow the instructions on how to set up your Go Pioneer Smart Wi-Fi account and finish setting up your Wi-Fi, including naming your Wi-Fi and setting a password. The Go Pioneer Smart Wi-Fi app also allows you to take control of all the features and options your Pioneer Fiber Internet and Gigaspire offer. If you need more help or have any questions, visit us at gopioneer.com/support.